All right, so we're on rounding, and this should look familiar to you. This is the same thing you did last year. So I'm going to take a number, and I'm going to have you round while we say the poem. So if our number is 435 and 769 thousandths, okay, and I say round to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so find your place. Tenths, hundredths. Find your place. Look next door. 5 or greater? Why, yes, it is. Add one more. I'm going to do +1. All right, and go ahead and +1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. All numbers in front stay the same. Write them down. Even the decimal point. All numbers behind. 0 is your name. That stay the same. Okay. All right, now in math in 5th grade, we're going to do it one step further. So right now we have 435.770. Let's read the rest of the poem. In front of point, zeros are fine. Behind the point, do not waste. Don't write the 0 after your place. So our place with hundredth, so we do not write this 0. So our answer is 435.77. All right. The last place you write should be wherever you round to. Okay. Now I know the values are the same, but that just shows that we know how to round to certain place values. All right. I'm going to give you one more example. Okay, so we are going to round to the nearest unit. Anytime you are rounding to any number that is not a place value that you are familiar with, round to the nearest ones. It could be called unit. It may be called whole number. It could be called in money. It could be saying to the nearest dollar. I don't care if they say round to the nearest parsnip. You round to the ones if it's not a place value. Okay, so find your place. Look next door. 5 or greater? Yes. So I'm going to add one more. Okay, so stop and add. 9 plus 1 is 10. You still have, we're just adding here. So it's just like old-fashioned adding. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5. Okay. So add one more. Check. All numbers in front stay the same. All numbers behind, 0 is your name. Then we go on with the rest of the poem. In front of point, 0 is fine. Behind the point, do not waste. Don't write 0 after your place. So here's my place, and I don't write this 0. Right? And that is how we round in 5th grade.